This red earth holds the genetic code of a building material that will rewrite what a wall can be. Loaded, hauled, dispatched, the raw clay begins its journey down a supply chain. Once waste is drawn into tankers, this recycled mineral filler is the second half of the recipe. The trucks arrive at a clean, climate-controlled intake bay. Clay and sealed mineral powder sacks are staged on marked floor lines. Blender into a uniform paste, inside a hygienic stainless. The paste extrudes through a clean die into a continuous 3 mm sheet. Polished chrome rollers smooth it to a matte, micro-pitted surface. A 60 degrees Celsius curing tunnel. Warm beige travertine texture, zero gloss, without cracking, springs back flat. Printed with the same spec arrive on site. Open one, every tile identical. On a curved exterior wall, traditional rigid tile cannot do this, but this makes curves trivial. The complete facade where innovative materials meet the job site.